Hi, this is Umeeda.
I'm Nareena.
And we're both grads from UVic, and we have a company called Nalido that produces truly turmeric. And today we're going to share with our UVickers the Mung bhajia, which is really, really delicious.
Definitely one of my favorites, especially for picnics or sharing. Even when you're stuck inside, it's a great little snack to put together, maybe for your charcuterie board. I'm gonna run back behind the camera now and help film, and my mom is gonna walk you through it.
The recipe I'm using is the recipe from my mother's cookbook called Mamaji's Kitchen. She's such a good cook, and sometimes I get it wrong, so I want to make sure I get it right this time. So you take mung and soak it overnight, and now it's ready to put into the ingredients. So 1.5 cups of mung, soaked mung, so 1.5. There we go.
And we definitely in our family do things not to exact measurements, a little bit more eyeballing involved.
And 1/2 cup of, oops, that's what she means, black-eyed beans or any other beans that you like, white beans. And then we go for our homemade ginger paste, and our homemade tin is 1/2 tablespoonful of the turmeric, of the ginger paste, and 1/2 teaspoon. Oh,
Do you want me to open it for you? Oh, she got it.
1/2 tablespoon, of garlic paste. Now it is, we put 2 chilies in there, but you can put way less if you want. Nice chopped up, lovely fresh chilies. And then we have 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. And I always get baking soda and baking powder mixed up. There we go. And now 1 cup of 1 tablespoon of truly turmeric paste.
And this product, our truly turmeric paste, kind of came out of both of us going to UVic. So Umeeda studied biology at UVic, and I studied social science, anthropology. And so when we founded our company, we decided to make it a social enterprise. And we're actually in our final stages of our B Corp certification process. So it's really exciting. I think UVic, being a school that promotes holistic learning, really influenced us in our careers.
1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, please use the stems. And 1 cup of warm water, just a second. And here we go. 1 cup of warm water. There. And I'm sure there's salt in here. Yep. So, tablespoon of salt.
And how did Mamaji come up with this recipe, my grandmother?
It's an old Indian recipe. They've been using it for a long time. I really like things with lemon in it, so I'm going to put a little bit of lemon.
That's like 1/4 cup of lemon?
I just put like a tablespoonful.
Okay.
Now, we pour it all into a blender. Ooh, something's happening. The lemon juice.
And the baking soda.
Oh,
Acid in base.
yes. Now when you grind this, you don't want it to be completely pasty. It should be a little bit granular.
Think like veggie patty kind of consistency?
Yes, something like that. And look at the consistency. Are you going to be able to make a ball out of it? And I would say that I'm going to add a little more of these black-eyed beans to just make it a little thicker, because it got a little more liquidy because I added that lemon juice. I do want to say something about cooking, and Nareena was saying it's not an exact science. It isn't an exact science, but you know what? You have to innovate. When you have a little more of something and a little less of something else, innovation. Right, I think we have it. Yes, those will make nice round balls.
Can you show us the consistency again?
Thick.
Okay, great. All right, we will be right back because we're gonna shape these up and get them ready for the fryer, and we'll show you that part.
Well, we're ready now. We have this nice thick paste, which has ginger, garlic, mung beans, black-eyed beans, salt, lemon, cilantro, ginger, and garlic, all made together. Now our pot is nice and hot and ready to go. And nice.
And Umeeda washed her hands very well before making these. But since we're eating them in our own household, we'll definitely... My grandmother always says that your hands add extra flavor. But I would say if you're preparing this for a picnic with friends and family, just use some gloves. And
I'm cooking with you. It's one of those recipes that when people taste it, they always go yummy. It's kind of like the samosas. And look at that, beautiful, beautiful.
wow. Oh, I can't wait to eat those.
Like it? And that cooked pretty fast, so don't overcook them. That one's a little bit overcooked. And here we go. So
And-
I'll keep doing this.
And one of the secrets, obviously, is to strain it on paper towel, so some of that excess oil will soak off. It'll help keep them crispier longer.
And you can change the size if you want a bigger ball. Make it a bigger ball. So much fun cooking. Tell you, the food always tastes better. I hardly ever go out to Indian restaurants to eat, because cooking Indian food at home is the best thing.
Well, thanks for joining us today on our little recipe, cooking at home. We hope you all are doing well and staying safe and happy during this time. And it is a great time to be able to try out new recipes. So check out our website, www.naledo.com, for some great recipe ideas. And of course, you can pick up our paste and anything else and learn about our story and who we are as UVic grads. Thanks.
Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.